Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download a YouTube video on a Mac. First, open the YouTube app. If you do not have the app, you can also use any web browser, such as Safari or Chrome, to go to YouTube. Once you are on YouTube, use the search bar at the top to look for the video you want to download. Next, click on the video to open it. When the video starts playing, look below the video player. You will see several options, including like, share, and save. One of these options is the download button. Click on the download button. After you click download, YouTube will give you a few choices for the video quality. You can choose standard quality or low quality. If you want higher quality, such as HD or Full HD, you will need to have YouTube Premium. Once you select your preferred quality, YouTube will start downloading the video. After the download is complete, you can find the video in your YouTube app library under the download section. From there, you can watch it anytime, even if you do not have an internet connection. Thanks for watching.